Morning, folks. So today I'm going to make pancakes, American pancakes with you and teach you some vocabulary. So we need flour, we need oil, we need 1 egg, salt, and baking powder, and milk. So I'm going to break the egg in the blender. Okay. Now I'm going to put 1 cup, 1 cup of flour. So I have 1 cup here, right? So let's see. I'm going to put 1 cup of flour. Here you go. Into the blender. 1 cup of milk too. The milk needs to be in room temperature, which means not too cold, not too hot. Room temperature. Okay, now we need half a teaspoon of salt and 2 spoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So let's do this. Okay. 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of salt actually. So I think more or less like this, half. This reminds me of an expression that's to take something with a pinch of salt. That means do not completely believe what a person is saying if that person tends to exaggerate. For example, if someone tells you they made 20 pancakes with this recipe, take it with a pinch of salt. We can't make that many. 2 tablespoons of oil. Alright. So 1 and 2. Okay. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we're going to mix it. That when it starts making these bubbles, you can flip it over. So I'm going to flip it over. There you go. And now you have your pancakes. You can eat it with hazelnut cream, with peanut butter, with maple syrup, or with jam. I have here jelly and peanut and hazelnut cream. and I'm going to try it. So yummy. So these pancakes, perfect breakfast food. Try to make them too, and if you do, please tell me and send me some picture or a video, or just tell me that you did it. Tell me if you could make it and tag me there, or send me a message on Instagram. My Instagram is at Carol English Coach. See you next time for some other delicious tips.